I think this is a world record in the making.
Yeah, I'm excited. I think lots of customers coming.
5 minutes. Oil change, free.
This is a very successful scheme.
Shell is number one.
I can't believe this day is finally here. 20th September was just another important day on the calendar for us that we'd been hearing of for the last 30 days. It's 7:30 a.m. right now, and people are queuing up for an oil change. It seems that all our efforts of distributing 75,000 leaflets door to door, reaching out to about 125,000 households through cable TV, and going to various taxi stands all across Karachi, is finally paying off.
I think it's great the way this thing has come out, because we've had since morning lots of customers coming up to us and asking us if it's for real.
A good deal, sir. We are getting everything free, just an oil filter, snacks and everything there.
And because they can't believe there are so many freebies, at the same time we're getting free oil filters. It's very good value for money for the customer.
Especially the snacks in the morning.
We're going on a holiday now, going to take a villa, a small chalet. Costa del Magnifico, yeah, the cost of living so low, yeah. Gonna be so neat, dance to the Eurobeat, yeah. Gonna be so cool, twisted by the pool, twisted by the pool, twisted by the pool. Sitting in a small cafe now, swinging to the cabaret. Wanna see a movie, taking a show now, meeting new people at the disco, yeah.
I think the kind of activity that we're having today, it provides us one of the greatest opportunity to interact with the customers.
मैं अभी पेट्रोल लेने आया, रश हुआ देखा मैंने, तो बताया कि भाई यहाँ पे चेंजिंग हो रही है, मैं चलो मैं भी चेंज करा लेता हूँ ऑयल।
और मेरा ख्याल है कि आपको आगे भी इसका अच्छा रिस्पांस मिलेगा, और मैं तो चाहता हूँ बल्कि हर 2-3 महीने बाद ये सिलसिला जारी रहना चाहिए।
Morning. Look at the score. It's not even mid-afternoon, it's 400.
We've also been collecting customer data during the last few hours, and an initial analysis has shown that we have generated about 15% trial among new customers. I think this is a great achievement for our brand.
It's all about teamwork.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night. I should be sleeping like a log, but when I get home to you, I find the things to do that make me feel alright.
We'll definitely be crossing the 2,000 mark.
We should be able to do 2,000.
I said 2,200.
Yeah, I'm excited. Closing down the gap between the world record that we had created. I was the region man at Multan, and hopefully by 9:30 today we should break all records.
This site sells 5,000 liters of lubricant a month.
And we're gonna beat that in one day.
जी ये हमने इसलिए ऑर्गेनाइज कराया है कि ताकि हमारे जो भी मोटरिस्ट कस्टमर्स हैं उनके लिए सहूलत हो।
मैं चाहता हूँ इंशाल्लाह ये हम कंटिन्यू रखेंगे ये चीज़।